This is me and Taylor doing the refrigerator wrap.
What milk?
Okay.
You wanna do it first? All in the refrigerator, pulling off some mustard. Some mustard.
All in the refrigerator, pull out some water. Water.
All in the refrigerator, put in some eggs. Some egg.
All in the refrigerator, pull out some sour cream. All
in the refrigerator, putting out some ketchup. Slow down and ketchup.
All in the refrigerator, pull out some bacon.
All in the refrigerator, pulling out some spoiled milk. Spoiled milk. Oh, that's good milk.
All in the refrigerator, pull out some sausage.
All in the refrigerator, putting out some butter. Oh, some butter. All
in the refrigerator, pull out some ranch.
All in the refrigerator, putting some moscato.
All in the refrigerator, pull out some Hershey's.
All in the refrigerator, putting out some garlic.
All in the refrigerator, pull out some jelly.
All in the refrigerator, pulling out some lotion. I don't know why it's in there, but it's lotion. It's lotion.
All in the refrigerator, pull out some onions.
All in the refrigerator, putting out some pickles. I'm allergic to them, but pickles.
All in the refrigerator, pull out some peppers.
All in the refrigerator, got some grapes. Some grapes.
All in the refrigerator, pull out some biscuits. I already did that.
Some more water. Dang, what else we got up in here? Oh, some chicken. All in the refrigerator, got some chicken.
All in the refrigerator, pull out some cheese.
I would like cheese. Shoot, mother fudge. Wow. This thing just busted. Biscuit, but it's busted. Oh, snap. Huh? Let me see. Smell it.
Alright, well, that ends our refrigerator wrap. Hope you like it.